Non-Techie, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In today's tutorial, we will go over how to ban clients on Acuity. First, log into your Acuity dashboard. Then we will go to Clients, and that will bring us to our clients list. You can choose a client that you would like to ban. It will open up their client's file, and you can click Ban. From here, you can add a message to the client for the next time they try to book and click Ban Clients. That will complete the ban for this client. So if they use the phone number or the email address here in their client profile, then they will not be able to make appointments. If at any time you want to unban this client, you can click unban from their profile. So that is how to ban clients on Acuity.